Right. Good morning, Minasha. Welcome to the oral test of Express Spoken English workshop. So the first session is about your self-introduction. You can introduce yourself.
Sir, me camera on කරන්නද?
Sure. You can switch on the camera. Right. Okay, Monasha, very good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Right. First, you'll have to introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. I am Monasha Chamadi. I am 17 years old. I live in Doluwagoda. I studied at Gampaha Yashodhara Debalika. My family have 4 members. And I have one brother. My hobby is garden cake. My favorite drink is milk. I passed the O-level examination, and I do A-level. I do my A-levels science stream, and I am very sensitive and very helpful person. I spend simple lifestyle.
Nice. Okay, my dear, that's all right. So what are your future plans? Who do you like to be in the future? Who do you like to be?
I want to be a teacher one day, and I want to develop my country.
Right. Okay, that is very good. Right. Then we'll go to the next session, my dear. Right. So as the next session, you have the reading test. Right. So you can see the what you call screen. Can you see the screen, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you have to read it for me. Right. It is about Munidasa Kumaratunga. Very easy one. Right. Go on, please.
Munidasa Kumaratunga was born on 2015 July 18th 1887.
1887. It's okay. It's okay.
He was a writer, poet, journalist, and a grammarian. He wrote many Sinhala storybooks. Hinsaraya, Hatpana, Magul Kaman, Kiyavana Nuana are some of them. These books are popular among children even today. Munidas Kumaratunga founded the Hela movement to promote the correct usage of the Sinhala language. He wrote Sinhala grammar books and had a wide knowledge of other languages like Tamil, Pali, Sanskriti, Greek, and Latin. In his lifetime, he served as a school teacher, principal, and a school inspector. This eminent scholar passed away on 2nd March 1944.
Right. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Right. Then, so can you tell me 10 patterns from 40 patterns? 40 patterns you might have, you can remember, right? So you can tell me 10 patterns from 40 patterns.
It's better to be, it's better to be, it's difficult to, it's easy to do, it's time to, it's useless, have to, has to.
Okay, right. Then we'll go for the active voice mind map. Can you remember the active voice mind map original version? VVSVP like that?
Right. VVSVP, will we, Amisa VING, was for VING, will be VING, have to, has to EPP, had to EPP, will have to EPP, have to, has to VING, will have, had
okay,
been
right,
VING.
that's fine, my dear, that's fine. You have to go for the map again, right? Okay, then, so what is the speech that you're about to tell me? The speech.
Corona pandemic.
Right, okay, go on, my dear.
Corona or COVID-19. Corona or COVID-19 recognized for the first 2000 first time in 2019. This is spread around the city of Wuhan, China. This is very harmful and powerful virus. This damages the human respiratory system, and we can therefore can be controlled by frequenting hand washing, wearing a mask, avoiding unnecessary travels, and
keeping social distances, right? Keeping social distance. Right. Okay, my dear. So, right, that's fine. That's fine. Right. Okay. So, shall we go for the next event, right? Like you have these type of what you call dialogue, right? So you can select the first one or the second one. What do you like best? There are two dialogues. You can select one. So you don't have to worry about the names here. So if I take the first one, you are going to take the second one. That's what we are going to do. Which one you like, first part or the second part?
First part.
Right. Okay. Then you are going to take, I'm going to take the first one. You are going to take the second one. And like that, we are going to go for the last one. Right. Okay. This book looks interesting.
Yes. Why don't you borrow it?
Please stop talking. This is a library. You have to be silent.
Please stop talking. This is a library. You have to be silent here.
Oh, we are sorry.
I would like to borrow this book.
I'm sorry, you can't borrow this book. You have to read it in the library.
That's all right. I'll read it here.
Right. Okay. Thank you, my dear. So, Monasha, tell me something about you, right? So, what are your future plans?
I do my A-levels very well.
Okay. So, what type of subjects that you are going to select for the A-levels?
Biology, agricultural science, and chemistry.
Okay. So, what do you like best? Biology, agri, or chemistry?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Right. Okay. So, now have you planted any plants at home?
Yes.
What are the plants you have planted?
Flower plants, and
vegetables also.
My father and I make fertilizer.
Fertilizer. That means organic fertilizer.
Yes.
Right. That is very good. That is very good. Right. So, what do you think about the coronavirus? Is it a good virus or a bad virus?
Very bad virus.
Because we were unable to do this program also. See, this is in 2018 last program. Yeah, since 2019 we were unable to do any programs because of the Easter attack. Then the corona came. Now it is 2021, right? No field trips, no what you call matches, no foreigners programs, right? Very sad to say that, right? Anyway, so but in the future we will arrange something, right? So this is not the end, Monasha, right? This is not the end, right? So why we are having the oral test just to finalize the session. But when the country is okay, so you can come as a team and get the physical practice. Okay. Right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, right. So that is provided. So then tell me your ambition. One day, who do you like to become?
I like to teacher and home agrarian.
Ah, right. Okay. What type of teacher you like to be? An agriculture teacher or what do you call someone else?
Agriculture.
Right. Okay. Because you like agriculture very much.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about our program? Because we did 2.5 months physical, and after that we did online for nearly 7 months, more than 7 months, right? So what do you think about the program? Is it good, bad, interesting, boring? What is it?
Very interesting.
Uh-huh. Some people, they do not like English, but you like English. What is the reason? Why is the reason?
Mm, uh, I have a I found a good teacher.
Uh-huh. Who's that?
Uh, Ajit Rajapaksha.
Uh-huh. And why do you like English then? Earlier, didn't you like English? No.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. And in which grade you found your teacher?
oh, yes.
In which grade? When you were in grade 9, 10, or 11? Why, in which grade?
Grade 10.
Grade 8, right. So tell me something about the teacher.
Um, he's a interesting person.
Okay.
I don't speak English,
Okay.
but but they most like English.
Mm-hmm.
Very beautiful language.
Right. Okay. Actually, English is a very nice language, very active language. Right. You can express anything in English. Right. That is the particular thing. Right. Okay, Monasha, you did really well. Right. And I congratulate on you. Right. Keep it up. Don't stop practicing. Right. Some practices are not really well. So you have to do that. Right. But your practical expressions are really good. Right. That is what I want to get. Then thank you so much, Monasha. I wish you good luck. Thank you for selecting English Speaking Society, and we'll notify you about the results next week. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.